This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your active status on LinkedIn. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into LinkedIn. To enable or disable your active status, what your active status is, if you have it enabled, other LinkedIn members can see that you're online. If you have it disabled, then nobody can see when you're online. The way to enable it or disable it, you want to go up to these tabs up top here, down to the one that says Me, the little profile tab. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy, and click on Settings and Privacy. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Visibility. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down towards the bottom, down to the Visibility of your LinkedIn Activity section, and right here, Manage Active Status. You want to click on Manage Active Status. Then it gives you three options. It says Manage Active Status, who can see that you are currently active while you are using LinkedIn. The top option, if you toggle this one on, it says no one. The second option is your connections only. And the third option is all LinkedIn members. You choose one of them. If you don't want anybody seeing you're online, you would choose no one. That is how to enable or disable your active status on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.